What's up, small businesses? So, we're going to talk about Google Search Console and submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console. So, regardless if you have, especially if you have a website, especially if you have a brand new website or you've just done a rehash on your site, there's a lot of rebuilding, new pages, whatnot, you need to resubmit your website to Google Search Console. Essentially, this is how the internet understands you. This is how the internet is able to categorize your business and what type of searches you should show up for, especially if you're doing any type of SEO, whether it's on-site, off-site, or technical SEO. If you're doing any type of search engine marketing, or SEM, and you and your marketing company or freelancer don't use this or have access to it, and it's set up, you have some serious issues. A lot of serious issues on that. But essentially, this video is just for how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. So, I have a brand new company here that we just built, Folklore Brewery Meadery. I have their sitemap built out here, and to use. So Google's made it really easy to do. You're going to want to take this end result right here into the sitemap. Go to your search console, click on sitemaps, and it should follow this path right here. Hit that, hit submit, hit about life, sitemap successfully submitted. Now, if it was submitted properly, you have a correctly built sitemap, you should see a nice success and whatever many pages you have that are discoverable. Now, there's a lot more detail that goes into that. Like some of my clients have customized landing pages where things are designed essentially for just paid traffic. And so those shouldn't show up on your sitemap. And if they do, that means they're going to show up in search and your data is going to get dirty. Anyway, so this is how you do it. You want to update this every once in a while. Google will crawl, and this is the best way, especially if you have a new site or new pages, for those pages to get indexed as quickly as they possibly can as well. Also, if you have a web developer who actually knows what they're doing, they're going to be using Google Search Console to best at catching any errors that may show up on your website that someone might miss without having to go page by page by page. Anyways, I hope this helps, brings a little bit more light to how to use Google